Welcome to the channel CSCB and PSC exam partner. റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ടാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 26. ദി ബെസ്റ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം ഫോർ മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ പെറ്റി ക്യാഷ് ബുക്ക് ഈസ്. ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം. 27th question. Receipts and payment account is. Answer is real account. 28th question. Changes in the value of current asset is called. Answer is fluctuations. Question number 29. Profit on sale of fixed asset is a. Answer is capital profit. Question number 30. Prepaid rent is treated as. Answer is asset. Question number 31. The term depreciation is related with the dash assets. Answer is fixed assets. Question number 32. Capital expenditure are recorded in dash. Answer is balance sheet. Question number 33. In a joint stock company, the balance sheet is prepared. Answer is order of permanence. Question number 34. Bad debts previously written off is recovered subsequently credited to profit and loss account. Question number 35. Debit note number is shown in dash books. Answer is purchase return book. Question number 36. Method of providing depreciation for livestock. Answer is revaluation. Question number 37. Reserve fund invested by the society is shown on the. Answer is asset side of the balance sheet. Question number 38. Dash is an example of wasting asset. Answer is oil well. Question number 39. Consignment account is a account. Answer is nominal. Question number 40. The item wages and salaries debited to. Answer is trading. Question number 41. Interest on capital credited in the dash account. Answer is capital account. Question number 42. The difference in figures is dash and cause for their existence are brought to light. Answer is reconciled. Question number 43. The Banking Companies Act was renamed as Banking Regulation Act in. Answer is 1966. Question number 44. These banks scheduled in the second schedule of dash are scheduled cooperative bank. Answer is Reserve Bank of India Act. Question number 45. Cash credit account is. Answer is working capital finance. Question number 46. IFSC in banking terminology means. Answer is Indian Financial System Code. 47. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Question number 48. Government power to make KCS rules are mentioned in. Answer is section 109. Question number 49. Pannur is connected with which crop? Answer is pepper. Question number 50. Arjuna award is associated with. Answer is sports. Thank you.